Yes, the cloud is viable for governments. The way that it's being done, or the way I'm seeing it done, is that there is a segregation of a different cloud for the government. So it's not as if there's one big cloud and everybody's using it. There are clouds. Now, the government might have some restrictions or rules around how they want things to work, and they might not be able to use the same cloud that you and I use, but they could certainly build a cloud with the same technologies and the same capabilities and the same cost models as the public cloud that we're all used to. The advantage of a government is that they're a large-scale user. And so one of the benefits of cloud is the ability to pool technology or pool applications into a common set of technology, being able to balance one application that has a high utilization rate today with another one that has a low utilization rate and back and forth. That's a benefit of a cloud. You get to reuse it over and over. And the government has thousands, tens of thousands of applications running that could take advantage of that pooled computing environment. And they sort of look like lots of little customers themselves. So I don't think they have the same problems of building their own cloud that maybe a small company would. A company has a hard time because they're the only user of that cloud, but the government is thousands of users, thousands of different applications. And so a private cloud dedicated to the government is very viable. I've heard of things like that going on. I think the government is making those investments now. They're looking to the existing cloud companies to make recommendations on how they ought to do it. Probably not in heavy production today, but I think it's certainly in the early phases. As long as the cloud provider said, here's your cloud, and I think they probably would, but I don't think they would necessarily be willing to put it into the same cloud. It's the same shift that's going on within traditional corporate America, where they're making the case that a cloud is sort of a segregated, I get my own virtual private data center. You just have to sort of get over the hump of thinking that this is shared. That's the scary word. And if you can get over that hump, then it's okay. And I think the government can do the same thing.